Welcome everyone back to the channel. Today is Saturday, February 16th, 2020. As you can see, I'm outside right now, about to go feed the chickens, and then in a little bit we're actually going to do a crawfish boil. So get all the pot out here, the crawfish, all the other stuff, and take y'all through boiling some crawfish. So the chickens right now are currently, let's see, 8 days on the farm. So they're getting pretty big. I'm gonna give them some feed and then check on them this afternoon. Hello, little chickies. Hello, guineas. So let's check on them real quick. As you can see, they are super happy. Get them some more feed. Watch out. Oh, man. Top these off real quick.
Very good. No, yeah, when I told him I thought he was going to pick up I wanted the Louisiana dry
butt, yeah.
That liquid shit, man, that shit is burning you up.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring on.
That's a lot of liquid.
Dude, that's the shit that'll last you a lifetime.
Yeah.
Hey, put an extra half of salt there. Look at it, Brady. Spit that mud out good. We'll be over that here in a few minutes. We'll rinse it a couple times.
Hey, Brady, how do you cut it up?
I mean, really? I mean, have you ever cut one like this?
No.
Okay.
The only time they get cut like that is when they come out of a can.
Hey, turn it up. This is our favorite song. Alright, who's team? Oh, what you do that for? Who is team?
First one to make a hole, I'm on their team.
Okay, first.
Here, I'm gonna get you something.
Oh, that tastes good. Yep. Well, everyone, I just want to say thank y'all for watching the video. Thank you for My Hermit Life. You are our 100th subscriber on YouTube, so thank you so much. Everybody go check him out. He's on Instagram, and I guess we're gonna figure out something really cool to do for our 100 subscribers. So maybe we can think of a cool video and have some fun. So thank you all so much. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.